Triangle. Circle. Square. Star. Rectangle. Oval. Cube. Hexagon. Semicircle. Cylinder. Diamond. Pentagon. Cone. What is the name of the shape?
Triangle.
What is the name of the shape?
Circle.
What is the name of the shape?
Square.
What is the name of the shape?
Star.
What is the name of the shape?
Rectangle.
What is the name of the shape?
Oval.
What is the name of the shape?
Cube.
What is the name of the shape?
Pentagon.
What is the name of the shape?
Semicircle.
What is the name of the shape?
Cylinder.
What is the name of the shape?
Diamond.
What is the name of the shape?
Pentagon.
What is the name of the shape?
Cone.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.